I think we can start now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Is anyone fresher here or just pass out?
Sir, I am a pass out from Pune, PA Namda College. I've just recently completed my graduation in the year 2022.
Okay, only the one or any other?
I am
Yes,
fresher
I also,
too.
sir.
Actually, I have been freelancing, but in terms of experience, I'm a fresher too.
Okay.
Hello, sir. My name is Parvez Imam. I'm from Ranchi, and I'm 6 month experience, roto experience in MPC.
So you worked in Nuke or other software like Sellout?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. I think I have to introduce myself. I'm Santosh Sharma. I'm also worked in MPC. So currently I'm just come here to sharing my knowledge with everyone. It's a totally free. It's not any charge. Okay, so we will start from the basics. So actually in this industry, I have completed like my 5+ years in a com. So I just decided to share my knowledge with everyone. Okay, then let's start.
अभी कंडीशन बहुत खराब है रोटो का सर.
रोटो में भी खराब है. I don't know. मैंने कभी रोटो का जॉब किया नहीं था. So actually I started with the com. Like
सर तो ओपन कब होगा इसका, मतलब इसका रिक्वायरमेंट कब तक ओपन होने वाला?
No idea. I just launched the Nuke. Firstly is look like this. This is our viewer where we can see our output or our images, videos, whatever we insert inside the Nuke. So we can check it here. This is our viewer, and this side it's called like properties. Okay, and this side this is our node graph place where we can add the node, and here it's only we will work with the nodes. Like everyone is known the Nuke. What is the difference between Nuke and After Effects? Both are the compositing software, but everyone is known now. What is
Yes,
the
sir.
difference
After Effects
between?
is layer based and Nuke is node based.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah. So okay, so here we have some other options. Like here we have the tools, the different tools. Okay, so and the upside we have some menu option like the files, where how to save the files and how to create the files. The similar with the all the software like the After Effects, like the Maya, and I think the similar. So here we have a workplace. We can adjust our workplace according to ourselves. So here we have a viewer. Just I'm talking from the here, and here we have the render. So I think I should insert file in the Nuke. So we have a multiple option. Like first, I just show you.
ఏడా ఆడనా పట్టుకురా.
Like we can directly drag into our displays. To alignment these items, just select all and press L to the lineup. Okay, now we have the multiple images. To view the images, just click here and press 1. If we press 1, if we press 2, like if we press 1 to 9, we have the multiple connection with the different images. So directly you can connect like this, just click this and drag this and just press 1 to the viewer. And for our work style, we can change the workspace, like go here and we can use the large viewer. So here we can see our viewer in a large. So for a fit screen, we can just press the H. So we can just look the wider. So I will go through with the video also, no? Or the JPEG format. Gamma value, like we can increase our gamma. Okay, so like I just drag in a one way, like I just select and drag out here. Okay, so we have the other option also, like we can directly right click here and we can go to the image and we can select the read. Okay, or directly we can hit the R button. So we can choose our directory where we want to use the files. Okay, like I'm going here and I have the directory like Nuke class and mat perfume or these things. So I just selected these items and I just press the L. So for the lineup with the scroll, we can zoom in or zoom out with the scroll. Okay, is anyone from the Maya department here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Basic Maya.
Yes, sir.
I think someone is asked one question. Let me check. Or you guys, you can also given the answer to each other. Can anyone read what is what he said? What is the basic difference between Nuke, After Effects? Why Nuke is considered more? Okay, like this is the basic answer. The After Effect is the layer-based software.
Yes, sir. And After Effects mostly used for motion graphic and stuff like that. And Nuke is basically used for composition, I think so.
The majorly different between After Effects and the Nuke is like After Effects is the layer base. Like let me show you. I'm not opening the After Effects. Okay, like this is our BG layer. Okay, in the After Effects. Sorry, my pen tab is not working. This is our BG layer. Now in the After Effects, like if we have the character, so we have to put it here, the character. Okay, and some other thing we have to put it, like After Effects is working like this, the layer. Okay, in the layer we need to adjust everything. Node base, like we have the multiple nodes here. Okay, so
Santosh, can you mute all?
yeah, I'm just
Go to
checking
participants. I know. NPC
okay,
guys are
okay,
used to
the mute all.
Teams. Go to
Okay, thank
yes.
you.
In participants, you have
Thank you,
mute all.
thank you. Yeah, I'm audible.
Now you are also mute.
Yeah.
Yes, yes,
Now I'm audible, no?
yes.
Okay. Yeah, most of the companies are still using the After Effects, but for the small composition, not to the high end.
The basic difference between After Effects and Nuke, as far as I have experienced, that in After Effects we can use many adjustments and everything layers within one layer.
But
only.
we have to adjust like in the
Yes, but Nuke gives us a
layer
better
base.
control.
Abhijit Das is saying, sir, speak Hindi, you will understand well. So is anyone known the Hindi, no? Is anyone?
Sir, I don't know Hindi.
Okay.
I'm from Kerala.
No. Yeah, Kerala, good city. Okay, I will try to talk in Hindi or English, the mix Abhijit Das. If you have the some issue, you can directly ask or you can raise the hand, because some of the guys don't know the Hindi. Okay, just move ahead. Okay, I just drag and I just simply view our files. So like if I'm double click here to here and the other one, like we have the some properties here to the image properties. Like if we go from the here, we have the directory. Okay, here we have the formats, and like we have the frame range. Okay, and we have the frame duration, sorry, and we have the similar the original frame range. Like I'm dragging the video or JPEG, so this options will clear. Okay, so like today in class we can use the merge node. Like in the After Effect, we just put directly the layer on the top layer, and we just use the operations mode like screen plus, and everything is same here also. Like if I type the tab button from the keyboard like this, then we have the multiple options here. Okay, so I need to just type here merge. Okay, the first one, the simply merge, not merge expression, only the simply the merge. We
So
have to select this.
you have pressed the tab button, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
From the keyboard, I just tap the tab button here, and here I type the merge. We have the another option. You can directly hit the M button from your keyboard. You can directly hit the M button, but make sure you are typing the M button or everything button inside this node graph panel. Okay. A second. Inside the node graph. Okay, not type here, the viewer. And the other option we have, like go to the right click. Okay, here we have merge options. Like here we have the merge. Now in the merge we have the different pipes, like A pipe, B pipe, some another pipe, or this is the different one. So everyone is known what is the A and what is the B. For the fresher or just pass out, I think they also know the what is the A and what is the B. So I'm just clearing A used for the foreground items, and B is used for the background. Okay, like I have one BG here. I have one BG here. So here right now it is little dark. So I'm increasing the gamma level for the viewing purpose only. I'm not adjusting in my footage or in my project. I'm just increasing the gamma level for viewing my screen to the brighter. Okay, like I have the BG, and I have some another the like splash, flower, and the flowers and capping the input else. So firstly we have to understand what is the BG and foreground. Like I have this BG, so I'm just dragging here. Okay, some another thing like I have this portal also, so I'm just dragging here. So we need to find this is our BG. So we just simply click this, drag this, and connect with the BG. So this is our BG, and this is our foreground. So we have to connect this with A. A is used for the foreground. So now we are merging two things in a one node. So just viewing purpose, we need to press the one here to the merge. Like we can check here, we are merging two items like BG and FG. Okay, guys. Yeah. Now we can adjust about the pipelines. So we can directly hit the control near the pipe. So just click here and we can adjust the pipe. Okay. So mainly in the pipeline workflow, we if we go with the good pipeline, like we have the multiple options, like we have multiple the nodes. Like I'm just talking the grid. Don't put it here like this. Okay, like we have the blur. Don't put it here like this. Do not work like this. If you need any of the node, just connect it here. Okay, so this will look the simply, and we need to make the good com file. So I have the another image like the cap. Okay, so I'm just going to connect it here. Like I will again take a one new merge node. Okay, this is our now this is our final. Okay, we merge two image. So as of now, this is our final. So I'm just going to connect this image with the B background. So because I have to edit the another image, the top of the our BG. So I'm just going to connect this in a line. So like this, I just added another. So like the another thing, like we have some flowers, the same everything. We need to just in this class we are just using the merge and over. So we are just connecting like this, and we have the different something like we have the flower wire. Yeah, guys, we have some other option to connect to each other. Like I need to connect it this with another merge. Like I'm just taking the merge. Okay, so now I want to connect the A pipeline with my this image. So what we have to do, we have to just select first and the second, and we can just simply hit the Y button from your keyboard. Just hit the Y. This will automatically connect it. Okay, like what in the when we use the large pipeline or a lot of nodes, so we cannot take like this. We cannot take like this. We can't go the upside if we have the nodes some far away from there. So the good option is this, like simply select this and simply connect the second one and just press the Y. If I'm selecting this and I have the some another image here, then we can simply connect here, the press the Y button. So directly we can connect. Okay, so like I just connected this image. Okay, so everyone is no aware with the alpha. What is the alpha? Yeah, Gajanan, you are fresher or experience? Gajanan, you can unmute yourself. No?
Hello, sir.
Yes,
So
yes.
I'm fresher in compositing.
Okay, so what is alpha? Like, what is the use of alpha in a simply way? You can define in a simply way. I'm not asking what is the alpha in industry and what is the meaning of the out of the India. I don't care. I just want to know that in a simply way.
जो ब्लैक पार्ट है वो ट्रांसपेरेंट हो जाता है, जो व्हाइट पार्ट है वो ट्रांसपेरेंट नहीं होता है इससे।
Okay. Okay. So you said,
Alpha is just like a soul in body.
yeah, that's a cool answer. So how to check like we have the alpha or not in a nuke? Like this is the bottle. Okay, go here in the RGB mode. We have different color channels. Like colors, we have the red one, we have the green, we have the blue. In every image, not this, in every image we have some color value, the RGB value. Like if you drag your mouse here and just check the downside here, we have the values. Like if I click here with the control, simple 1 pixel, I just click with the control. So like in this pixel or in this area, we have the particular value. Like we have the red, we have the green, and we have the blue color value. And with this, we have something is white color. This is the purely white, and this is the purely one. So this is our alpha. Okay, in this image, we have how to check we have alpha or not. So just simply go here and just selected the alpha. In this file, we have alpha. So now you can directly press the A button to check here, like R, G, B, but you have to press this button in a viewer only, not press in node graph. So in the viewer, you just simply select, hit the A button to check the alpha. Like how is the alpha is working I just want to share with the freshers guy, not the experienced guy.
Sir, I have one
So
question, sir.
yeah,
सर अगर अल्फा ना हो इमेज में तो फिर हम कैसे उसको करेंगे, लाएंगे अल्फा को?
वही बताने के लिए मैं अभी आगे जा रहा हूँ ना. Now we have here alpha. So I'm just remove the alpha here.
Sir,
Okay.
sorry to disturb you. Actually, the meeting is about to end. So can you restart the meeting?
Yeah, sure.
Actually, the timer is about to end.
Okay.
So can you repeat it because I have joined late.
Okay. Now it's recording. Yeah. Like in this BG, we have alpha. Okay. I just pin. Yeah. Hi, hello. I think the Zoom call also have the blurry issue.
No, it's clear.
Okay. I think it's for me. Okay. So I just talking about the alpha. Like in this bottle, we have the alpha. What if we don't have the alpha? Like I just create here the constant like it's a plane. Okay. So here in this properties, I just fill the color here, like the red, a little bit orange. Okay. So if I check here, if I check color, we have the red one, we have the green, and we have the blue. Okay. If I check here, the alpha is 0. Okay, and also we have not added the blue color in this constant. If I click one point here, now we can check the we have red one value is 1, and the green, the little bit green, and blue is totally off, and alpha is totally off. Okay, this is the without alpha. And in this image we call like the JPEG. In this image we have the alpha. What if alpha is not used in this image? So like I'm just selecting one node with the tab, like I'm using the remove. Okay, so I'm just connected here, like simply, and here we have some multiple options. Like one is operation. In the operation we have the remove or keep. What you want to, like you want to remove or you want to keep. I'm just want to remove. And here we have the channels, like what you want to remove. Like I just want to remove the alpha. Okay, now if I check here, or now if I checking the alpha, we don't have the alpha. What if now we just need to check it here. After the merge, what we get? So if I check here after the merge, what output will come? Like output is looking like everything is transparent in our foreground thing. Now you can check. Okay, if we have the alpha, like we have one place to stand, like we have a chair and we can stand up of the to the chair, like we have the alpha, we can visual properly. Without alpha we are transparent. Okay, so if I turn off this node, for the turn off or disable node, you can type you can select the D button from your keyboard. Okay, this is with alpha. Okay, and this is without alpha. Without alpha, image is totally transparent. Okay, so same things is like the different the JPG and the PNG. I think is everyone is known what is the difference between JPG or the PNG. The same concept is here. Shairaj, I will share, please. Okay, so like in the JPEG image, we don't have the alpha option, or we don't have the alpha. And in the PNG, we have to keep the alpha in with our render items. In the PNG, we can keep the alpha value. Okay, so in this file, we have alpha in every file, because I worked on this file. So this is not the downloaded file. Okay, we just made this thing. Okay, so we have missing something, like we have another image to fill the areas. Like for this we have some splashes, water splashes. So again we will take one merge node connected here and connect so simply here. Now we just added the splashes. Okay, so this is the main concept of the merge. What is the background and what is the foreground? This is the simply way to connect. Okay, now I'm just taking another image, like 1 second. I'm just trying to download some image from the Google also.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes, you can ask. I'm just downloading.
Sir, if we apply the alpha on the particular node, on that particular node, only the alpha will be applied now, or all the others node will also get affected?
Only depend the main layer where you want to apply. but I just show you in a new, so I think that will be easier. In the After Effects, we use the reformat. Like I'm just dragging to image here from the internet. This is not mine, this is from the internet. Okay, so if we increase or decrease the value and we don't know what is the default value of everything, so you can just simply click here or here with the control. Just press the control and click the left mouse button. It will be automatically a default value. Okay, now I'm just taking two things here. In this file, we don't have the alpha. Okay, I'm not downloaded the PNG or the Targa and any sequence or EXR. I'm just simply download the JPEG. So now what if we connected the two images without the alpha? Now what will happen? Like in this image, I don't know what is the BG or what is the foreground. So I'm just simply connected here like this. Now we have some issues that will come. This is the reformat issue, our boundary box issue. To solve this issue, we need to check the
project setting.
Yeah, we need to check the format issue, or if we have the particular limit, like we will go into HD, so then we can only set the HD project. Okay, like 4K, 2K, HD. In this case, we have this issue. So we need to find the reformat value. Where we can find, you can just go here, double click here. Okay, so here we have the format like something 1000 and 667 or 1000 and 1333. To viewer purpose, we have to find the reformat. So just simply click one here and check it here. Okay, this here, this box 1667, the same here in the format properties 1667, and for this we have the different 1333. Okay, now what is the sorry, now we need to adjust the reformat issue. Like we have some small value than 1000 into 667. Okay, this is something the bigger 1000 into 13333. So I'm just pressing the tab button, just selecting the reformat here. Okay, so I want to adjust this image 1333 because this is the smaller one and this is the big one file, big ratio. So I'm just connecting here like this, the reformat, and just adjusting the right. And in the reformat, this is the default root format output. So we have to select this like here 1000 into 6667. Okay, now this is convert with the same format. This is convert. Now what happened if I connect this? Then now you can see the reformat issues are solved, but we have the simple like two things are just merging on the top of to each other. In this file we don't know what is the BG and what is the foreground because we don't have the any alpha value. Okay, in this file we can judge. In this file we can judge what is our foreground and what is our background. Okay, so how to make a alpha if we need something like we can't get the alpha and but we have to make the alpha in Nuke. So I think this is the interested topic, how to create the alpha. Why
Can
I mute the
create
all.
shuffle. We
No,
can
no,
create alpha
yeah,
shuffle.
we can create. I'm just saying this is the interesting topic, na? How can we create the
Yes.
alpha?
Yes.
So I'm just taking one image simply, the simple, so we can complete. So okay, I just download this file. Okay, this is already PNG. What I need without PNG. Okay. What is the pre-mult node? Is anyone is known from the fresher? Experience guys is everyone.
Yes, sir. I know a little bit about it. Actually, the pre-mult node removes all the white part from a certain image, which are some like stuck in it. It will remove all the non-usable white part.
Yeah, you can, but you are right. I'm not saying you are not right, but you can explain it the simply way.
Sir, there is a separate for background from foreground.
So, sorry, you are asking anything, or you are just
Yes, sir. Separate for background from foreground.
you know what is the multiply in a real life? What is a multiply? Not in
I
a
think sir
software.
0 and 1 sir.
Yeah. Okay. No issue.
The pre-mult totally, I think, alpha cut, right?
Yeah. Pre-mult is multiply. Okay.
Yeah.
They just multiplied RGB with alpha. So we have the alpha value. So after the pre-mult, we can see only the our alpha values. Like I have the alpha value here like this. Okay. If in this file, if I have the alpha only till like this. Okay. So if I check it here, now you can see what we have the detail of the alpha after the multiply alpha with RGB. Okay. In every way, in every way, you guys says that was cool. So after the pre-mult is meaning like we can multiply with the RGB. So we got the after the final result. Okay. So like this. This is the fan. This is now without alpha. Now I just want to create the alpha from this file. Okay, because now here this is from totally transparent. If I try to connect it in any one image like the checkerboard. Okay, so first I have to select the what is the reformat, my 826.437. In the checkerboard we don't need to add any other node to reformat this thing. We have the inbuilt. Okay, so I'm just trying to connect here background and here. Okay. Now without alpha, this is totally transparent. Is anyone can see this? This is
Yeah.
totally transparent.
Yes,
Now
I'll
we
be able
have to make the alpha for this visibility. Now visibility is totally 0. So for that thing, what we can do, like today we learn the merge node, background and foreground and different other option, the mask over here. So I'm not using the mask option, but I will tell you what is the mask in after 2 or 5 minutes. Now I'm just going to create the alpha for this fan. Okay. Like now we have everyone is doing the channel masking in Photoshop. Is anyone is done with chapter in the Photoshop the channel masking is like they can understand the easily.
Just change the operation over.
Okay, for the first thing we have to check the our luminance value or the color value. Which color we can get the acha wala value. Okay, so we need to find out. For the find out, we have to go here, just go to the red channel. The red channel value like this. Okay, and the green one, I think the more dark, and blue one is the totally more dark. Here we have the one option like we are working only the RGB, like red color much better value. Okay, so now we have to work in the red channel. So we need to create a red channel. Now here I'm not going to add anything. Now I just want to create the red channel from my image. So okay, for that thing we will use the shuffle node. Simply type here SHU double F and E, shuffle channel. Okay, now this is you can see this shuffle is new one. The properties, this is the new one. We can use our old shuffle in your new Nuke. Okay, so for that you have to type it here. Just press the X. This is the command. Okay, here you have to type capital S. Other letters should be smaller. Just type OK. This shuffle to this is our old one node. Yeah, anyone is saying anything?
हर सैटरडे 2 बजे से ज्यादा क्लास होगा क्या?
This is the first class, so I'm just trying to cover only the 2-3 notes only, because I can not take it a lot of time in the introduction. That's why today is not anything any type of the hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So is anyone already aware these things? Like how can create the old shuffle node or
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
please tell me once again the older shuffle node
okay,
how to create.
okay. So this is our totally that simply click the tab, type shuffle and click. This is our the new node. The Nuke changed it, I think after the 11 or 12th version. So now we want the old version of shuffle node. For that thing you have to press the X from the keyboard. Okay, type here shuffle, but in the shuffle the first letter should be capital, the other letter will be smaller. Like here the shuffle, if From the X button, the command, if I type the shuffle, I can get the old one. And other option we have also, like shuffle, copy this name, drag into the here. Now this is the another option, like we can get the old one. Is anything confusing?
No.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
No. Understood.
So like we have the three options, like simply one, this is the new one. Okay. And this is the second one. And this is the three one. In the new shuffle, just simply with the help of the left mouse button, then drag it here. Okay. Okay. And the last option, I think the last option, we have to update here all the plugins. Okay.
So
So
for
if
the
after
old shuffle, you have pressed X in the keyboard, right?
X.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I think here the option comp script command here in the file you can get. Okay. If I update all my nodes, okay, now I will get different type of shuffle, like shuffle this thing. This shuffle is already the also old one. Okay, so I'm just going to use the new one, new one or the old one. Okay, so I'm just going to mute to everyone. Just unmute yourself. Yeah. Why is time is going too fast? Okay, now we need to extract the red channel. Okay, we need to separate a red channel. So here we just simply check our red color, the green color, the blue color, and we need to create the alpha. Okay, so I'm just connecting the shuffle node with this my image. Okay, so in this shuffle we need to transfer our color or channel in a alpha. So disconnect all the nodes with just simply connect the click the control and just click the left mouse. Just we need to, what we have to do is we have the red channel, we need to transfer it to alpha. Okay, so I just connect the red channel into the alpha. If this shuffle node, if I pressing 1 here, or if I check the alpha value, now go here, if you can check the alpha value, we have some color, we have some white value. Okay, now this is the value only the 2.8, but in this image before the channel extracting, we don't have the alpha. To create the alpha, I just check the multiple channel and I choose the red one, and I just connected the shuffle node and I extract the red channel. I convert the red channel into the alpha. Okay, this is the new one node, and this is the different, like the old one. I'm just connecting here. This in this node we need to select here, like I'm just going to select the red. Now this is converting red channel into alpha. Okay, the both are similar, nothing too much difference, one and old and new. It's totally up to you which node you want to use. Okay, now if I'm going to the old one, now we need to create the alpha value in a 1. Like still this is the transparent. Still this is transparent. Like 2.8 value. We need around 1 value. So we need to increase the value of this luminance or this white color. Okay, like this. If I increasing the gamma here, you can see this is the value is growing. But in the viewer purpose only, not changing in the color mode, channel mode. So for this, we need to take it a one node that's called grade. Okay. So we can simply connect it here with the shuffle, the grade one. Okay. So we need to increase the gain here. Okay. But nothing is changing here. So for the changes, we have to check the channels. We have to go in a RGPA. Okay, or you can select the alpha. I think this is the going too much forward in the first class. Someone is commenting me.
No problem, sir. You carry on.
I think the for the fresher, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, we will close this after this topic. Okay, so I just adjust the gamma value. Sorry, I'll just increase the gain here. Okay, like this. Okay, I increase the gain. Now you can check the value. We have the 6. The 6 is too much. The 7. We need to clamp it here. The value. So what is the clamp and what is the normal value? We will discuss in other class because I need to just show it how to create the alpha. Okay. So now I'm just going to use another node like the copy. Okay, I will repeat it in again class so you can understand in a easily way. So this is like what is the copy and what is the shuffle. This is like today only the interface. So this is the another node. This is copy. The same we have the foreground, the same we have the background, the same we have the mask. Okay, so now copy, what is the doing? Copy is taking one channel and keep the channel. They can transfer the channel. Okay, so like this is I created the alpha. Okay, so I'm just going to connect it this one A to the my grade and B with my image. Okay, so if I check here after the copy node, this is the RGB, or if I go to the alpha, we have the alpha one. Okay, so if I connect this, if I merge this with VG, now you can check this one, this have the alpha value. That's why we can show this. Okay, now here we don't have the value. That's why this is the transparent. Okay. Now for this part, we can use the roto paint and the roto, but we will talk in next class. This is not take it in the forward way. This is the interface. Like we can use the shuffle node, we can use the copy node, and we can use the green. What is these things? I just want to show you because I'm going to use in next class. So that class, I think I will not taking the too much time on the shuffle node or the copy node. Okay, I will teach the copy node because we don't talk about the copy node, but I will not talking about the shuffle node. Okay, so this is the simply basic we learned today. One is the merge, second is the shuffle. Okay, so this is the way how we create the alpha. We have the different way, but this is the simple way. Okay. Without alpha, this look like this opaque. With alpha, we can show the clearly image. Okay. Now, guys, meeting is going to end in 2 minutes. So as anyone have the issue, confusion, you can ask. The main things, how to save the file. The main thing I forget to tell you, sorry, how to save the file. Go to the file, just go here, the save com, select your directory. Now, after the selecting the directory, 1 second. So, like the D drive, here you have to type the first class or anything, what you want. Here we have to mention the version to underscore V01. This, that's simple. Okay. Now you just click on the save because we have the already filter of the nuke.nk. Now save. Now this is the file is totally saved. Okay. And why I keep the version 1 here? Why I take the version here? You can see the version 01. I keep the version 01. Now it's version 2. I don't want to again and again save this file. Okay, to type the name version 1, version 2. For the version, simply you can go the select this one, save new com version. Like you have to use this option after the 10 minute or the 15 minute if you are working in a project. So just simply click here after the 10 minutes. It will be automatically saved. Okay. So that was the simply way, and we were talking about the saving the file. I just put here the version name. If I like nuke, mostly the time nuke will be crash. So you have to press this button after the 10 minutes or the 15 minutes. So it will be save with the upgrade version. So you have now what you have the old file and the new one file. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you. You can drop the call. I have to check the recording. I have to convert. So I will upload soon.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.